how to change Ome TV location with VPN. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to change your Ome TV location with VPN. So first of all you have to do is just open your preferred browser, and after that on the search bar just search for Windscribe, and after that just open the first link that you will see on the top, and after that you just simply have to download the Windscribe VPN in your device. The best part about the Windscribe is that it is free for a few days, and after that you have to pay a very minuscule amount in order to continue with your Windscribe, and it provides a very smooth service. Once you install the Windscribe in your device, and after that you need to add the Windscribe in your extension board in the Chrome extension, and after that just open the Windscribe from the Chrome extension and just make sure to open the Windscribe, activate the VPN in your device. And once it is activated, it will turn green, as you can see right here on my screen. And once the VPN is on, you need to click on this country section in your Ome TV homepage. And over here, you need to select the same country that you have choose in the VPN settings. For example, in my VPN settings, right now I have New York as my current location settled here. So in order to change the same location, I have to search for the same location. As you can see that New York is not available right now on this country section right here. So I'm just gonna select Canada on my VPN, as well as in the country section in my Ome TV as well. And once you select that, and then when you start calling the people while clicking on start button, you will be able to connect with the people from the Canada only. So this is basically how you will be able to change your Ome TV location with VPN. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.